YouTube Automation with AI, Complete Beginner Guide. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to build a YouTube channel, generate views, grow an audience, and potentially make money online without filming yourself, spending hours editing videos, or becoming a full-time content creator? If so, you're going to love today's video. Because in this YouTube Automation with AI tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are using AI tools to create content faster, automate parts of the content creation process, and build faceless YouTube channels in 2026. We're going to cover niche selection, content creation, AI tools, traffic generation, monetization strategies, common mistakes, and how you can get started even if you've never uploaded a YouTube video before. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll show you how some affiliate marketers are combining YouTube automation with affiliate marketing opportunities that can pay up to $200 per sale. Also, if you want access to my #1 recommended resource, check the first pinned comment below. Inside, you'll find Daily Income Method, which includes training, tools, and access to over 100,000 viral video clips you can use for your own content creation. And if you'd like to create faceless videos faster, I also have a Syllaby discount linked in the pinned comment. Now let's jump in. First, let's answer the obvious question. What exactly is YouTube automation with AI? A lot of people hear the term YouTube automation and immediately think it's some magical system where you push a button and money appears in your account. That's not how it works. YouTube automation simply means using systems, processes, tools, and sometimes outsourcing to make content creation more efficient. And AI has made this process dramatically easier. Instead of spending hours researching topics, writing scripts, generating ideas, creating outlines, editing videos, and designing thumbnails, AI can help speed up nearly every step. Now let me be very clear. AI does not replace effort. AI does not replace learning. AI does not replace consistency, but AI can significantly increase productivity, and that's where the opportunity exists. Think about it. 10 years ago, a single creator might spend an entire day creating one video. Today, with the help of AI tools, one creator can produce multiple videos in the same amount of time. That's why YouTube automation with AI is growing so quickly. Now let's talk about why YouTube remains one of the best opportunities online. Unlike social platforms where content disappears quickly, YouTube content can continue generating traffic for years. A video you upload today might still generate views 6 months from now, a year from now, even 5 years from now. That's powerful. You're building digital assets. Every video becomes another opportunity to attract viewers, another opportunity to gain subscribers, another opportunity to generate revenue. That's why I love YouTube. The effort compounds. Now let's talk about niche selection. This is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Many beginners fail because they try to create content about everything. One day, they upload an AI video. The next day, they upload a fitness video. Then crypto, then motivation, then technology, then business. This confuses the algorithm and confuses viewers. Instead, choose one niche. Focus creates clarity, clarity creates consistency, and consistency creates growth. Some examples of strong YouTube automation niches include AI tools, affiliate marketing, personal finance, business, motivation, technology, productivity, education, software tutorials, health and wellness, self-improvement. The key is choosing a niche with existing demand. You want people actively searching for information. If nobody wants the information, views become much harder to generate. Now let's move on to content creation. This is where AI becomes extremely valuable. Many people struggle because they don't know what content to create. They stare at a blank screen. They overthink everything. They spend hours trying to come up with ideas. AI helps eliminate that problem. You can use ChatGPT to generate video ideas, titles, outlines, scripts, descriptions, hooks, calls to action, content calendars, keyword ideas, and much more. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can get started quickly. That's a huge advantage. Now let's talk about faceless content. One of the biggest reasons people are attracted to YouTube automation is because they don't want to show their face. And that's perfectly fine. You don't need to. There are countless successful YouTube channels that never show the creator. Instead, they use stock footage, screen recordings, slideshows, animations, educational graphics, AI-generated visuals, voiceovers, tutorials, product demonstrations, and presentation-style videos. The audience cares more about value than they do about seeing your face. If your content solves problems, people will watch. Now let's discuss one of my favorite tools for faceless content creation, Syllaby. Syllaby helps automate parts of the content creation process and makes it easier to create faceless videos consistently. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out what to post, Syllaby helps simplify the workflow. If you'd like to check it out, I have a discount available in the pinned comment below. Now let's move on to traffic. Traffic is everything. Without traffic, nobody sees your content. Without viewers, nobody subscribes. Without subscribers, growth becomes difficult. Fortunately, YouTube provides several powerful traffic sources: YouTube search, suggested videos, browse features, YouTube Shorts, homepage recommendations, and external traffic. One strategy I strongly recommend is search-based content. Search-based content targets specific keywords people are actively searching for. For example, how to make money online, best AI tools, ChatGPT tutorial, affiliate marketing for beginners, YouTube automation, faceless content. When people search for these topics, your content has an opportunity to appear. This creates long-term traffic potential. Now let's discuss YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts have changed the game. Short-form content allows creators to reach new audiences much faster. One short video can generate thousands of views, sometimes tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands. And here's the best part: you can repurpose content. One long video can become multiple shorts. One video can become content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This dramatically increases efficiency. Now let's talk about monetization, because eventually people want to know how YouTube automation channels make money. The first method is YouTube ad revenue. Once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money from ads displayed on your videos. The second method is affiliate marketing. This is my favorite. Why? Because affiliate marketing doesn't require millions of views. You simply need targeted traffic. You recommend products or services. People click your link. Some people buy. And you earn commissions. Some affiliate programs pay a few dollars. Others pay recurring commissions. And some opportunities can pay up to $200 per sale. That's one reason I recommend checking out Daily Income Method in the pinned comment below. It provides a beginner-friendly roadmap and includes access to over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Those clips can help accelerate content creation significantly. The third monetization method is sponsorships. Brands pay creators to feature products. The fourth monetization method is selling your own products or services: courses, templates, coaching, communities, and digital products. Now let's discuss consistency. This is where most people fail, not because they lack intelligence, not because they lack tools, not because they lack opportunity, but because they quit too early. Many creators upload a few videos, nothing happens. They upload a few more, still nothing happens. Then they quit. The reality is that YouTube often rewards persistence. The first video may not go viral. The 10th video may not go viral. The 50th video may not go viral. But every upload is another opportunity. Every upload is another digital asset. Success often comes from staying in the game long enough to improve. That's why consistency beats perfection. Perfectionism kills progress. Many beginners spend weeks trying to create the perfect video. Meanwhile, successful creators are publishing content and learning from feedback. Done is better than perfect. Publish, learn, improve, repeat. Now let's discuss scaling. Once you've established a process, scaling becomes easier. You can create multiple channels, repurpose content, use AI tools, outsource editing, automate workflows, and increase production. One video can become a YouTube short, a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a Facebook reel, a blog post, an email, multiple social posts. This allows you to maximize the value of every piece of content. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They focus too much on automation and not enough on value. Automation is great, AI is great, tools are great, but none of those things matter if your content isn't useful. Value comes first. Always ask yourself, does this solve a problem? Does this answer a question? Does this help someone? If the answer is yes, you're moving in the right direction. Now let's revisit daily income method for a moment. If you're serious about YouTube automation and affiliate marketing, I highly recommend checking the pinned comment below. You'll get access to a beginner-friendly system, training resources, and over 100,000 viral video clips that can help speed up content creation. And don't forget to check out the Syllaby discount if you're interested in creating faceless videos faster. Before we wrap up, here's a simple action plan. Choose a niche. Use AI to generate ideas. Create valuable content. Publish consistently. Repurpose content across platforms. Build an audience. Monetize through affiliate marketing. And stay consistent. YouTube automation with AI is not a magic button, but it is one of the most exciting opportunities available right now. The tools are better than ever, the barriers to entry are lower than ever, and the opportunities continue growing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what type of YouTube automation channel you're planning to start. I read as many comments as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.